the chandeliers in my home practically disintegrated when I tried to clean it. And I wanted to save the crystals from it, and they're real crystal, they're not acrylic. And it's antique, and I wanted to save the crystals and try to make something from them. So I'm going to try to make a pendant out of this, and I'm going to see how that turns out. So you can watch me with the process. Anything antique, I try to save as much as I can, and I'll try to upcycle it or do something out of it, make something nice out of it. And there's so many crystals on that chandelier, I'm going to be able to make a lot of things out of it. So right now what I'm doing is I'm soldering so I can make a pendant out of it. And I know crystals genuine, real crystal is made from lead oxide. And lead oxide, I know lead is really bad to wear as jewelry, but this is made of lead oxide, so it's perfectly safe to wear as jewelry. And I believe that's what Swarovski crystal is made from. But I'm going to be including these as souvenirs in my shop as well. So that way, you have a little history to take with you if you visit and do a tour of the home once I open it up. But what I did is I wrapped this in a copper-like tape, and I brushed it with some flux so the solder would adhere to it. And then once I finish, I'm going to sand it, and then I'm going to attach a jump ring to it. There's some rough spots on it that I'll have to sand. Like that. It's like a little rough spot right there. Let me pull some more of that solder up. But right now, at least you're able to watch the process of this being made. So once I sand this and attach the jump ring, I will show you the final product.